most important thing I have learned in my career, that you need to always check the date when you are working in the fund accounting, be it the trade blotter, be it the price backup, be it the work paper, or even the nav worksheet. Many a time I have seen that sometime, because we will be rushing to finalize and we always work for a deadline, so we will be always in the rush to complete or wrap up the work, it might slip out and we might give the backups of a wrong date, or maybe the printout has been taken or the printout has been saved for the altogether wrong date. But that become difficult. You need to keep all the backups also, and the proper backup which is matching. So that's why even if for the trade blotter, I have seen that there are some trade blotter, there are trade but it is not processed in custody, we are breaking our head, what is the reason? Later we see that the trade blotter is some old date, maybe the investment manager has sent it by mistake, that can also happen. So it is not always that if you see something you will process, first you check whether it is for your current valuation or not. So that is very important. So this is one of the important part of review. So while reviewing the trade check, please make